Hi everyone, this is tutorial 5, how to view the response from the online survey using Google Form. I am DrMazwin binti Kamarudin from FSPU UITM Selangor. This tutorial is a continuation of tutorial 4 where we prepared an online survey using Google Form and we emailed it to our respondents. So once our respondents have received our form online, they can fill out the form by clicking the fill out form button. And when they click that button, they can answer all the questions in our online form and they can submit, and their response has been recorded. So how do we see the responses? So we open up our Google account and we click on the Google Apps button and we click on the Drive button, and as we saw in tutorial 4, our form is already automatically saved in our Google Drive. So we just click on that and we can see in our Google form that 4 people or 4 respondents have given their responses, and we just click on that. So now we can see that who have responded, and we are still waiting for 2 responses, and these are the results from the online form filled by our respondents. So here we can see that in question 1, only 25% said they don't jog while the rest jog. And question number 2, 50% jog monthly. And in the question number 3, in the linear scale that we prepared yesterday, we find that 50% said they are moderately enjoy jogging. And in the comment section, our respondents have given some comments. For example, here it's easier to do at the gym. Okay, so now we've seen the responses. We want to save these results. So we just go to this green button up here, view responses in the sheets. We just click on that, and Google Form has saved it in a form of a spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to save this spreadsheet into my Excel because I'm more familiar with Excel. We just go to File up here on the menu button, and we go to Download, and we click on Excel. So you can save in Words or whichever that you like. I'm just saving in Excel, and I can see that it is already in my folder, and I'll just drag it into my desktop to save it. Okay, so please. Okay, so it's saved. So we can just continue to wait for the other responses, and we'll just follow the steps that mentioned before just to see the results. Some public announcement. Stay safe and alert. Always wash your hands. Jaga solat dan doa. And if you want to see my other tutorials, just please go to my YouTube channel on Google. Just type youtube.drmazwin. That's all. Have a nice day.